Okay.
Whoa! So we got this BMW in here today. It's a drift car, I believe is what the guy calls it. I don't know. He put a wide body, stands it out. He goes around corners and his wheels go like this.
What's up with this fitment, man? What's up with that fitment? That's one Janowski.
But we gotta do a live redesign on this thing. Rose City Dip sprayed the car for the customer. Did a really cool job on it. When it's in the sun, it's really poppy, which is cool. But we're just gonna do the live redesign on it, make it look dope, and get ready for track season next year.
Are we showing them the design?
This little fancy design here.
Ooh, there's the design.
A little design here. All right, so this to there has to be done in knifeless tape because the customer wants chrome. Marco.
Come on.
Stop.
Nah, it'll be dope.
So we got chrome, we have yellow, we have galaxy black, which is like a bunch of color of sparkle.
It's all sparkly black.
So we did majority of the block. There's another piece that goes across, and then there's another piece that goes up here too. So we'll start with this piece so we can not waste as much material. We're not throwing a bunch of garbage away. We want to try to savor what we got. So we'll do this piece first and go from there.
Cool.
We'll slap on a bunch of other stuff.
Let's get going.
The next day or another day, I don't know. Can't think of any days, they're all the same, but we're gonna do that to the hood now. Or at least something like it. Alright guys, car is finished. As you can see, it's just got a pile of scraps left to pick up and clean up. But Marco,
So
this
stoked.
guy.
I could not be more happy. It doesn't even feel like it's my car.
Yeah? Are you sure it's not your car?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
It doesn't look the same.
Well, so that's the end of it. We're gonna close this vlog out right now. So make sure to like, subscribe, and always follow our channel and everything else we got going on for the next job.